And in this short presentation, I'll reveal a new and controversial way for anybody who's failed to make money so far to quickly experience $1,000 paydays and start seeing 5 figures a month of pure profit, even if they've never made a penny online before and have no idea where to begin. The best part? The crazy side benefit of this revolutionary new solution is that even if everything you've done so far hasn't worked, or if you've been too confused to even get started, you might have a distinct advantage over everybody else.